Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Remitly account. First, from here you can see uh, if you are a new Remitly customer and you create a new Remitly account using the Remitly website, you must provide certain personal information and complete the email verification process. Then once your account is up and running, we deploy a variety of manual and automated risk management procedure that allow us to highlight suspicious account activity. That's mean the verification process will be held from the community itself, and they will manually and automatically verify you and your information and your identity. As part of this process, we contract with industry leading service providers to verify personal and financial information. That means they will verify your personal and financial information gradually according to your activity. After transactions, a certain transaction, they will verify your information and your financial information, that your fund source and your identity, your location. Now from here you can also complete your profile by adding your name, your phone number, address, and other certain personal details. Now you can set up a payment method. From here you can set your card. Here you can add your card. Here you just need to enter your card number, expiry date, and security number. Then you just need to enter your billing address. You can also add your bank account. There is no exact option or any feature to perform a verification process for your account. They will verify yourself and your information, identity, and your financial source, financial details themselves automatically, and by some manual test. And from here you can see some sending limits. You can get promoted to tier 1, to tier 2, to tier 3, and you can gradually increase your sending or receiving limits. And each and every tier you will get verified in your information, some information like your personal information. In the tier 1 you will need to verify your name, your residential address, your date of birth, and you must enter the last 4 digits of your SSN if you are a citizen of US. Then you can promote it to, or you can apply to promote in the tier 2, or you can apply for tier 3. But if you are in tier 2, then you can apply for tier 3. So in tier 2 and tier 3 you must need to verify your full SSN or IT number, your government issued ID photo. You have to enter or submit your ID photo here. Then additional information and documents which can include details and evidence of your source of funds and your residential address. That means you have to submit some documents with your government issued ID that contains the details that the describe perfectly the source of your funds, and there are clearly mentioned about your residential address. That's how Remitly verifies your account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Till next time.